I have some new keycaps from a1200.net, so I'm going to replace my slightly yellowish ones from the original keyboard. No, not impressed. I've actually already unpackaged it. So we've got space bars and things. We've got little tiny clips that I don't know what they're for. And then we have springs, so we can give it new springs. And everything is on plastic tray, like so. Keycap puller. Alright, let's try pulling some keys. Spring. Maybe I need a tool to do this. Okay. Number one. Nice. I feel like I should probably clean here. While I've got the chance. Let's just see how these ones look. Okay, I need a tool to get those keys off. Okay, I think I found the perfect tool for this. Get ready. It is the Lego brick separator. Let's see if this will wedge these keys off. The Lego brick separator can't do it. It must be difficult. Ah, there we go. 2 and 3. There we go. That's quite good. So 2 and 3. Ooh, oh, I forgot the spring. Okay. Alright, I will get on and do some more keys. I've just done some of the darker coloured keys and the difference isn't quite so big, but it is a difference. And you can also just see how similar the texture is with between the new keys and the old keys. So they've done a good job of making the new keys exactly like the original keys. Yep, bit of progress. I've done the top row. Let's keep going. Now I've learnt what these little plastic clips are for. They retain the stabiliser bars. Now these stabiliser bars aren't included with the kit, so you sort of reuse your old ones. One thing to notice is there's 2 sizes of these little clips, and I just tried to do it with the wrong size and the key wouldn't attach, and it's because the deeper ones are too deep, so the key wouldn't go down far enough to clip in. So I have to use the same size. Now I know there's 2 sizes, I can see which size I need by just looking at the clips in the old key. So you clip on the stabilizer bar and then you attach it into the keyboard, and they just clip in here. And then stabilizer bar clips in like so. With these springs I've been turning them like this to separate them. Don't need two. No, the shift key only has one, there we go. You want to try and get the clip over these without disturbing the spring, which is easier said than done. Ah, there we go. If you get it just right, it pushes in. Ah, the only trouble is I've completely detached it. But you can see how it's supposed to attach. Just need to somehow do that without the whole thing falling apart. Click. There we go. Now, I'm finding this is a little stiff. This one's the same. I think these stabilizer bars need some lubrication. So I need to find my... Now I do have some lubrication that came with my routing keyboard. When I can find it, I'll apply that and we'll see if we can get this to work more freely. When it's going well, it's quite fun. So here's the W. Here's the E. Here's the R. Now, I'm not quite sure how the spacebar works, so we will learn together. I'm going to wedge it off with this, because I think if I can't really grip with that. Okay, there's three springs and one of those bars. There we go. These fittings look different to anything I've seen, so I might just reuse them. That's how it is. And if I just pull, if I wiggle, it comes out like that. There's a new spring. You can tell the new springs are slightly darker in colour. Although, is this a special spacebar spring? Uh-oh. Those don't fit. I need to find the other special spacebar spring. Right, I found it. I found the special spacebar spring. So now, I'm going to attach the spacebar the wrong way around. It will not fit like that. So let's unclip it. Clip on. And now, can we? Yes. Oh, that's quite good. Is that right? It seems somewhat unsatisfying. Yeah, I think I'm going to need some sort of lubrication. Not quite sure where it's scratching. The enter key is not much fun. There's actually two stabilizer bars to try and attach. And not much space to work with. Well, unfortunately, the enter key seems to be a complete disaster. It's just doesn't spring up at all. I've got, maybe the spring is dislodged, but it's just I don't know what's going on with it. I don't see how lubricant can fix this. It's either stuck down or something. I was able to clip the clips in with a screwdriver, but it's been a bit of a more difficult job than I was hoping for. But it will look nicer. So let's see tomorrow. Alright, it's the next day and I have this lubricant I found. It says premium high viscosity lubricant for keyboard stabilizers. I think it came with a Wooting keyboard that I bought. So I'm going to try putting this on to see if I can solve the problem of some of these keys being a bit sticky. Maybe even this awful enter key business. Well, let's see.
Playing from Pixel 6a.
Okay. Alright, well I'll apply more of this and see how loose I can get it, and we'll see how it works. It's not quite as springy and as positive as the keys that don't have stabilizers. Still feels like there's some resistance, but it does at least spring back up quite quickly. On the space bar it seems as if these surfaces are rub up against a guide, so I'm going to put some of this on here. It's a bit hard to do on camera, but that's where I'm going to put it there and there, as well as in where this metal touches and along here where it clips in. Okay. One. Two. Still a bit slow to return. Maybe too much, maybe it's sticky. Maybe when it dries a little bit it will free up. Let's hope so. So that's fine. Okay, that's good. Now let's put the clips back on the original, on the new enter key. Put these clips on the new enter key. If I just ping that off, I'm going to put these clips. This isn't really the best camera work, but you get the idea. Focus. I'm having to manually focus. If I pull these out, oh, they're quite difficult. Right, I'm going to transfer these over and then we'll see. Right, I've just transferred them over like for like from the old enter key, which is this one, to the new enter key. You can tell the difference, it's just thicker, the line is thicker. And let's put it on the keyboard and see how it is. Just with those clips in, something is just not lining up on the new enter key. So unfortunately that seems to be, unless I've made a mistake, I've just transferred the clips, the same clips, into the new enter key in the same positions, and it just doesn't line up with my keyboard. So I'm just going to remove those clips and do without for now. So I might just leave it like this. If I press it up here, it's not so good. But if you press it in any normal place, it's fine. There you go. Now I'm going to put the rest of the keys on. Take these out. Put that in there. Stabiliser that, and I think I'll do some of this as well. Nice. Nice. The shift keys are good. Yeah. Very good. Ooh. Okay, well, that's one way to do it. Why won't this come out, this one? Well, there we go. There. Bit tricky, that one. This one will go here. Yes. Yes. That's it. So that's all done, that's all done. I just need to do all of these now. There we have some. So we want the Amiga key. Which I think goes here. Now I suppose I could turn it upside down and push through the hole. There we go, that's another way to do it. I could probably get out some more of the keys. G, H, K, L. F. Where's F gone? Hello, you're in and out, cat. Why are you in and out so much? Because you want to be out, but it's raining, that's why. Ah. The last key. There we have it. Brand new Amiga keyboard. I'm used to the keys having little bumps on them for the home keys. I don't know, I think modern keyboards are better, but this feels like an Amiga keyboard. I don't like this space bar, I'm going to have to see what I can do about this. It's too spongy. Were they ever this white when they were brand new? There's a thought. Okay, well I hope that was of use to somebody. Good night.